how to download YouTube videos to your PC or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily download YouTube videos directly to your PC or laptop so that then you can watch them when you're offline or don't have a connection to the internet. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, we just need to open up a browser, navigate to youtube.com. And then once you're on YouTube, all we need to do is open up the video that we want to download. So I'm going to select this video right here. Once you do that, scroll down and under the actual title here, you might see download right here. Select the three dots and all we need to do is find and select download. Now it's important to keep in mind that in order to download videos from YouTube, we need to have YouTube Premium. So make sure you have YouTube Premium. And if you don't have it, check the description. I'll have a link to where you can easily get it with a free trial. So select download. Once you select download, your browser may ask you to allow it to actually download to your computer. So select allow. And then now when we go to the three dots, you'll see removed from downloads. So now we've actually downloaded this YouTube video. If in the future you want to find any YouTube videos you downloaded, select the three lines on the top left of YouTube. And then under you, you'll see downloads, select that. And it'll show you all the YouTube videos that you have downloaded to your computer. You can select them and then open them up. And you can also remove them by selecting the three dots and select remove from downloads. So that's how you download YouTube videos on your PC or laptop. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.